Individuals with low vision and blindness often use tactile markings to identify important buttons and settings on things such as microwaves, ovens, dishwashers, washers and dryers, and thermostats. For example, operating a microwave oven with a flat digital display with little to no vision can be very difficult if there is no method of identifying the settings. For just a few dollars and a little practice, tactile markings such as bump dots and tactile paint can help individuals use the microwave oven successfully by identifying often used settings. There are several different methods of creating tactile markings. A common method is using markings called bump dots. Bump dots are tactile dots made of a raised rubber material with an adhesive backing. They come on a small sheet and are peeled off and attached to the clean and dry surface of an appliance dial or control panel. These markings come in a variety of sizes and colors. The most common colors used are orange, black, and clear. The size of the dot may be determined by the space available to mark or one's ability to feel. The colors may be important for someone with low vision. For example, a black dot may provide some high-contrast visual guidance on a white appliance, in addition to offering tactile guidance. Differing shapes or sizes of bump dots can also be used to provide someone with no vision a tactile method of differentiating settings or features. Setting a microwave is often difficult for someone with a vision loss due to the lack of tactile buttons. The flat surface offers no guidance in where buttons are located, and tactile markings can be extremely important in allowing a person with a vision loss to independently set the device. A combination of orange and clear dots were used to mark settings. The dots are slightly different in shape and size, allowing one to distinguish between the markings. Clear dots provide tactile guidance for the numbers, but allow other members of the family without a vision impairment to see the numbers underneath. Touch dots are used in a similar manner as bump dots, but provide someone with a different texture. Touch dots are constructed from a foam material and would not be beneficial in areas that may be exposed to water or other liquids. These dots are applied in the same manner as bump dots and come in various colors, including white, black, and orange. Touch dots may be used to mark a keyhole so that a person with low vision or blindness has a tactile marker to use in locating where their key enters the lock. A contrasting color touch dot can also provide a much-needed visual guide for inserting a key. A variety of configurations can be used based on the person's dexterity and needs. Spot and line is a thin paste, similar to glue, which comes in a tube and can be squeezed out into dots, lines, or shapes. The paste comes in a variety of colors and after 24 hours becomes dry to the touch. Once dry, it becomes a tactile marking, allowing one to feel designs placed on a variety of items. This material allows for greater flexibility in regards to size and shape of the tactile marking and will adhere to items that bumps may not. Spot and line dots can be used on remote controls, tactile labels for food items, and create lines for setting dials. While bumps, touch dots, and spot and line can be purchased through adaptive aids catalogs, many common items around the house can be used for creating tactile markings. Velcro, glue, puff paint, felt pads, or tape are often used in a pinch. Here at CABVI, we have professionals educated in the field of vision rehabilitation. They can offer individuals with low vision or blindness training in adaptive aids and techniques that allow them to conduct daily tasks in their home both safely and efficiently in order to maintain their independence.
CABVI